If I did this correctly, you have all the supplies you need right there in front of you. This is for Voyager Passport. We're on Adventure 2, Lesson 2. The page will be page 30, but we don't need that right now. Right now, we're going to go ahead and jump in. Let's go ahead and do what we need to do. We're going to start with a vowel review. This is the letter, and I need you to repeat what I say. Speak with me for right now. So, what letter? It's the letter A. What sound? A, as in apple. So say that with me. A, as in apple. A, as in apple. One more time. A, as in apple. That's the next one. E, as in egg. E, as in egg. E, as in egg. I, as in insect. I, as in insect. I, insect. O, ox. O, ox. O, ox. U, up. U, up. U, up. Digraph is two letters to make one sound, so here we go. SH. Sh. Shin. SH. 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 Shin. SH. Sh. Shin. TH. V. Then. TH. V. Then. TH. V. Then. TH also says th. 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 Thin. TH. Th. Thin. TH. Th. Thin. WH. W. When. WH. W. When. WH. W. When. CH. Ch. Chip. CH. Ch. Chip. CH. Ch. Chip. And you should be listening and repeating. Don't just sit there. You should be listening and repeating. Because I know this. I just need these are for me to help you. So say it with me. Let's keep going. These are blends, two letters, and you're going to hear both of these sounds. SL, sl, slip. SL, sl, slip. SL, sl, slip. We're going to keep it moving. Here we go. ST, st, stop. ST, st, stop. ST, st, stop. Scan. I'm sorry, SC, sk, scan. SC, sk, scan. SC, sk, scan. SP, sp, spot. SP, Sp, spot. SP, sp, spot. CL, cl, clam. CL, cl, clam. CL, cl, clam. We're rolling, we're rolling. Stay with me. FL, fl, flag. FL, fl, flag. FL, fl, flag. Now, we're looking at another set of combinations. The ones we're looking at today say So this is the combination ER. ER says like in fern. ER says like in fern. ER says like in fern. Now, the sound can be spelled two other ways. It can be spelled with the IR and it can be spelled with the UR. So here we go. IR, as in sir. IR, as in sir. IR, as in sir. And here's the last one. UR, like in fur. UR, as in fur. UR says as in fur. So the sound, so say it with me, can be spelled ER, IR, or UR. Can be spelled ER, IR, or UR. Let's move on. This combination is DGE. DGE says J. What sound? J. So DGE, J. DGE says J. DGE says J. That would be DGE says J as in edge. Make sure you're saying it with me. DGE says J as in badge. DGE says J as in ledge. DGE says J as in judge. Okay? Now, we need to find page 30 in your book. We're going to the red circle with the white X. That's part A. Just in case you can tell me you don't know what 30 looks like, that's a 3 and a 0. Okay? Let's look at the first word. Remember, DGE says J. So the sounds are L, E, and make sure you say with me, please. Say the sounds L, E, J. Say them again. L, E, J. Say the word ledge. That's how we're going to do it, okay? We'll move over to the second one. Edge. Edge. Hedge. Move over to the third one. Make sure you say the sounds twice. We break it down and say the sounds twice and then say the whole word. Edge. 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 Move over to the next one. Edge. Edge. Ridge. Move over to the next. Badge. 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 Move to the next. J, j, fudge. Br, j, br, j, bridge. Gr, j, gr, j, grudge. Now put your finger back on the first word for part A. We're going to move one at a time. We're going to read those words. The first time we did it, we just tried to say the sounds. This time we're just going to say the words. So I will say, and you just repeat under the first word, please. Ledge. Now you. Hedge. Now you. Edge. Now you. Ridge. Now you. Badge. Fudge. Now you. Bridge. Now you. Grudge. Now you. Now on part B, these are sight words, or words that you just need to recognize because they don't always make the sounds that we know. So I'm going to read the word, you repeat the word, and then say the word again. So I'll say it, you'll say it, then I want you to spell it, then I want you to say it again. Okay? So the first word, sure. Say the word. Spell it. S-U-R-E. And say it. Sure. Next. It's. Say the word. Spell it's. I-T apostrophe S. And say the word again. It's. Next word. Put your finger under it. Area. Say area. Spell area. And the word again. Area. The next word. Peace. Spell peace. P-I-E-C-E. Say the word again. Peace. Next word. Didn't. Spell didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T. Say the word again. Didn't. Next word. Become. Spell become. B-E-C-O-M-E. The word again. Become. Next word. Family. Say family. Spell family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Say the word one more time. Family. Now, down on the bottom of part C, there are sentences that we are going to read. I need you to put your finger under the first word and say the sentences with me, please. I will not go so fast that you can't keep up, but I will not go so slow that you fall asleep. So the sentences are, put your finger under each word as we say them. Are you sure there is a bridge in this area? Same sentence again. Are you sure there is a bridge in this area? Same sentence one more time. Are you sure there is a bridge in this area? Please make sure you're putting your finger under the word and sliding and looking at the words as I say them and as you repeat after me. Number 2, didn't you eat fudge with your family? Number 2 again, didn't you eat fudge with your family? Back to the beginning of the second sentence. We're reading it one more time. Didn't you eat fudge with your family? On to the third sentence, please. The hedge will become part of our garden. Back to the beginning of the sentence. Make sure your fingers under each word. Make sure you are repeating with me. Make sure you're looking at the sentences and not just listening. This is for you to recognize the words better. The hedge will become part of our garden. One more time, the third sentence. The hedge will become part of our garden. Now, whether I gave you your workbook for you to write in or whether I gave you a sheet, you are going to now be asked to spell some words. So you need the pencil that I provided for you, and you need either the workbook or the sheet that I've asked you to write on. The first word, we're going to spell words that make the J sound, D-G-E. The first word I need you to spell is judge. Say the word. Say the sounds. J, J. I'm going to give you 20 seconds to see if you can write the word judge. Next to what you wrote, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to write do not erase, do not erase, do not erase. Next to what you wrote, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to copy judge. The next word, wedge. Say the word, wedge, and the sounds. W, e, j. You're going to have 15 seconds to write wedge. You're going to have 10 seconds to copy wedge next to what you wrote. Next word, smudge. Say the word and the sounds. S, m, j. S, m, j. And the word is smudge. You have 15 seconds to write smudge, please. Ten seconds to write the word smudge correctly. Do not erase what you have, just copy that. The last word will be dodge. Say the word, dodge, and the sounds. D, j. The sounds, d, j. And the word one more time, dodge. Take 15 seconds to write dodge, please. Take 10 seconds to correctly write dodge. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, we will be looking at the story on page 31, but for right now, I need you to just listen to me. This adventure is titled On the Run. Many people are on the run these days, running for exercise or competing in sports like track and field. In the 1996 Summer Olympics, Michael Johnson from Dallas, Texas, set the world record as the fastest human being in the world. He ran the 200 meters in 19.32 seconds, and won a gold medal. On page 31, the title of the first passage we'll read is My Body Rhythm. So what do you look, if you look at that, what do you see? I should have probably heard you say something like, man, I see a skull. I see the inside of somebody's body. You might have looked at the words and realized that some of the words rhyme, which means that this is a poem. Okay? So as we get ready to read, I'm going to tell you some vocabulary words. You will see oxygen. That is oxygen. Oxygen is a clear gas that is in the air we breathe. We need oxygen to live. Trees give off oxygen, which helps humans breathe. The next word, awareness, awareness. The word is awareness. I have awareness of something when I realize it is happening. Having an awareness of my mistakes helps me learn from them. The next word, healthy, healthy. Healthy. To be healthy means to be well or without illness. To stay healthy, I eat right and exercise. Now there's some other words in there that you probably are going to say, my goodness, I don't know them. I'm going to go ahead and give you a chance to look at them. You may not necessarily master them right now, but I will tell you what they are. SYSTEM, system, say the word, system. BLOOD, blood, say the word, blood. RHYTHM, rhythm, say the word, rhythm. MUSCLES, muscles, say the word, CELLS, cells, say the word, cells. ENERGY, energy, say the word, energy. Now, as we get ready to read this, remember that good readers read with fluency. In other words, they read smoothly and easily with good expression. So listen as I read the poem. Do you know my body has a system, and all my parts work in perfect rhythm. Bones and muscles sure make a great pair. They move when I budge, fidget, or scare. My heart pumps blood out to my limbs because blood brings them oxygen. Nerves build a bridge from body to brain to give me awareness of feeling or pain. My cells turn food for energy. My cells burn food for energy It's how my body keeps me healthy. I'm going to read that again because I wasn't as fluent as I would like. So, do you know my body has a system and all my parts work in perfect rhythm? Bones and muscles sure make a good pair. They move when I budge, fidget, or scare. My heart pumps blood out to my limbs because blood brings them oxygen. Nerves build a bridge from body to brain to give me awareness of feeling or pain. My cells burn food for energy. It's how my body keeps me healthy. Now, there was no period at the end of the line, so I went on to the period at the bottom of the next line. So now here's what I'm going to do. We are going to read that together, as in you've heard it 2 times now. I want you to read with me. Put your finger under the first word. I will not go too fast and I will not go too slow, but I need you to participate and read with me. Do you know my body has a system and all my parts work in perfect rhythm? Bones and muscles sure make a good pair. They move when I budge, fidget, or scare. My heart pumps blood out to my limbs because blood brings them oxygen. Nerves build a bridge from body to brain to give me awareness of feeling or pain. My cells burn food for energy. It's how my body keeps me healthy. All right, so that's very good. Now, what we want to do now is look at some questions. How do your nerves help you feel pain? As you thought about that, you probably thought your nerves are right there at the edge of your skin, and kind of when you hit it, it sends a message to your brain that says, ouch, that hurt, or ouch, that stings. Something in your body, the nerves feel it, and then they tell your brain that was not the way things are supposed to be. Okay? So the next question, what would happen if your blood stopped moving? What do you think would happen if your blood stopped moving? So think about that for a second or two. And say out loud what you think would happen if your blood stopped moving. You're right. I hope you said that if you're some version of this doesn't have to be exactly this way. These are my words. That if your blood stopped moving, then the other parts of your body would stop working. So and your body would shut down, or your systems would shut down. The next question, question number 3: what systems other than our bodies have parts that work together? So without not necessarily your body, what are some things, some systems, some things that work together? They have other parts that work together. Think about that one. Okay, now what I thought about is the computer. A computer has lots of parts that work together to make it do what it's doing. In fact, the computer is helping me. The different parts of the computer are helping me make this video for you to listen to. You could have said a clock. A clock has lots of parts that work together to help you tell time. Your car, you may not think of a car as a system, but a car has a lot of things that work together to help you get from place to place. Okay, now in order to leave class, you're going to be using All In Learning or whatever I use to give the quiz. Just a few questions about this story. You'll answer those questions. You'll go back to class. So when you go back to class, make sure that you be excellent and make sure that you learn something. So have a good day.